Banking of roads. What is banking of roads? So to answer this, let me ask a question. If a car is moving on a flat circular road on a rainy season, if the road is completely wet, so obviously the coefficient of friction between the road and the tires will be reduced. Therefore, the velocity of the car should be as least as possible to take a safer turn, right? But is there any chance or is there any possibility to have a safer turn or a safer uh, circular motion without reducing its velocity? Is there any chance? Yes. If the coefficient of friction between the road and tire is very minimal, even then we can have a safer turn without reducing the velocity by doing the banking. So banking of road is nothing but the outer edge of the road will be lifted up to certain height. By that there is an inclination. So here one of the component of normal will support the vehicle to have a safer turn. Let us see the diagram. You will get an idea. So in the diagram it is very clearly given that the outer edge of the road is lifted to certain height at an angle theta. Therefore, the car can have a safer turn. So obviously this is normal, which is perpendicular to the surface, and weight is acting downward. So this will be one of the component of normal, that is n cos theta, and this will be n sin theta, which is acting towards to the center. So here n sin theta will act as a centripetal force here, and n cos theta will balance the weight. So n sin theta will act as a centripetal force which is acting towards to the center, so which is equal to m v square by r, or v max square by r, whereas n cos theta is balancing the weight of the vehicle. So if we divide both, so what we get? Get cancelled, nn get cancelled. So tan theta is equal to v square, v max square by rg. Therefore, v max square is equal to rg tan theta, or v max is equal to under root of rg tan theta, where r is the radius of the circle, g is the acceleration due to gravity, theta is the banking angle or angle of banking at which the outer edge is lifted up. Without including the friction, the car can have up to certain velocity to have a safer turn. So this is the maximum velocity with which the car can move on the banking roads.